Shelly Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your affiliate link so you can start building your Builderall team right away. So as you can see, I'm logged into my dashboard and I'm going to click Builderall Business and then I'm going to click Resources. Now the first thing you can do if you want to is connect a domain, and to do that you'll click right here. It will say Connect Domain, and when you click on it you can choose the domain that you want to connect, and then you can connect your name servers. Once you've done that, then you can go right here to this area, and this is your affiliate link, and you can click the copy button, and then that's what you'll use to give people in order for them to join your team. There's a couple of other links you can get, and those are located right here in the default area. So if I click default, I've got several options of funnels, checkout pages, and niche funnels. I'm going to go to the funnels, and there's several funnels available, including a home page, a home long sales page, a viral funnel, a Builderall business funnel, and then the 7-day free trial. Let's work on the 7-day free trial. I'm going to go ahead and click that. What that does is it changes the page down here at the bottom so you can see what it looks like. And then once that page loads, you can go up here to that same area where your affiliate link is at, and it's changed the affiliate link to reflect this page. So all I do is click the copy button and then it's ready to go. If I want to use a shorter URL, I can click this area right here, Use Shorter URL. When I click it, it gives me a box. I can highlight this URL and use it. Once I use it, I can actually do some analytics as well. If I click that arrow, it takes me to a page that has some analytics. Of course, there are no analytics for this link right now, but if you use that link that's been shortened, you can go in here at a later time and look at some of the analytics that's been picked up for that link. So that's how you access your affiliate link in order to start building your team in Builderall.